As the Cooperative Secretary of this esteemed cooperative, it is both an honor and a privilege to address you today. For the year 2024, Cebu CFI Community Cooperative passed a total number of 233 resolutions in the exercise of its governance and operational functions. Further, I would like to present to you today the minutes of the 54th General Assembly held last April 20, 2024. These items were presented electronically for your review and approval during registration. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed members of Cebu CFI Community Cooperative, I am pleased to present to you today the proposed amendments to the Cooperative's bylaws and Articles of Cooperation. The proposed amendments are as follows. For the proposed amendments to the Articles of Cooperation, starting with Article 2, Types and Purposes. Insurance underwriting for property, life and health, and development of real property projects and the sale, rental, and leasing of real property shall be included in the purposes. In Article 3, Goals, a provision regarding the engaging into insurance underwriting for property, life, and health, and be available to cooperatives and members of cooperatives in the country be included. We now move on to the bylaws of the cooperative. In Section 1, Article 4 concerning the Board of Directors, the composition of the Board of Directors be amended as follows. The Board of Directors shall be composed of 8 elected members and 1 ex officio member who shall be the President, Chief Executive Officer, or Executive Vice President, whichever position is currently filled. Additionally, Paragraph B shall be omitted from Section 4, Article 4 of the bylaws. In Section 1, Article 5 on committees, qualifications and disqualifications for membership of the Audit Committee are sought to be included. As well as Section 3 of Article 5 on the Election Committee, the qualifications and disqualifications of election committee members are sought to be included. For Sections 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13 of the bylaws, amendments are sought for the composition of the Education and Training Committee, Mediation and Conciliation Committee, Ethics Committee, Credit Committee, and Gender and Development Committee. Under Section 1 of Paragraph E of Article 6, regarding officers and management staff of the cooperative, Subparagraph 9 is to be included stating that, should there be no sitting Chief Executive Officer, the appointed Executive Vice President shall assume the duties and functions of the Chief Executive Officer. Under Section 2 of Article 7 of the bylaws regarding capital structure, an amendment is sought to change the provision from shall to may regarding a member's investment of the continuous capital build-up. Under Paragraph C of Article 9 of the bylaws regarding allocation and distribution of net surplus, particularly referencing the Community Development Fund, the provision sought to be amended is as follows. An amount for the Community Development Fund, which shall not be more than 3% of the net surplus, unless the same is increased by the Board of Directors, but in which case shall not exceed 5%, shall be set aside for projects and activities that will benefit the community where the cooperative operates. In conclusion, I extend my gratitude to each one of you for your active participation and collaboration in the continued success of Cebu CFI Community Cooperative. Thank you.